A friend requested tutorial on these topics, and I thought, yes, these are important points and I should create them. Beside, I consider my channel as a job and I absolutely love it. Thanks for suggesting the topics, brother. So the topics are, can you please create a video on system restore point, advanced system settings, system protections, a local disk C configuration, and of course the restore point, and also explain how it's work in task manager when disk usage hits 100%. So let's start it step by step. System restore point. Now, system restore points are like snapshot of your computer state. If something goes wrong, you can revert your system to a previous stable state. To create a system restore point, go to the control panel. I guess it's more easy. Just click on the search icon and search here for restore point, and then create a restore point. A window will pop up. Now simply I'm just sharing in this section. You can create a restore point from here, and also you can restore your PC going through the system restore, and of course the recommended restore point is more better. But anyways, this is the way you can just create and make a restore point. Now the second question, he said advanced system settings and configuration. Now advanced system settings let you control various aspects of your computer performance. I'm gonna show you, and at the end I'll explain those things briefly, but right now I'm just quickly explaining these things. Now of course my PC, it's easy way, everyone can easily navigate this PC on desktop. Right now my desktop icons are hidden, but anyways, just right click on desktop this PC and go into the properties, then advanced system settings. Once you go here, now here in the computer name you can just computer description, use any name, and then hardware, where you can see the devices installed in your system, and of course the drivers. You can also update your drivers from here. As you can see, display adapters, just right click on it and update drivers, etc. This is the basic things. Now device installation settings, choose whether Windows download manufacturer apps and custom icons available for your device. So this is the feature, actually mostly I turn it off, because whenever you plug in any new mobile phone device or any other, and it will automatically start downloading their drivers, even those are not important for you. So that's why I just put it on no. Otherwise you can click on yes and save it. It will install the drivers automatically when your PC detect any new device. Now in the advanced setting, you can monitor or edit some performance settings. Let's discuss some performance. Now in the performance, you can see here the Windows tweak, and select the settings you want to use for your appearance and performance of Windows on this computer. Note, this will not affect your FPS, but yeah, in some ways you can boost your computer performance, the task performance, because a lot of services are working over here. You can see the mouse shadow, the font clarity, the thumbnail or any icon shadow, etc. So all these things are over here. Even the effects like this minimization effect, etc are closing, fade in, fade out, etc. So everything is included over here. What you can do here, let Windows choose what's best for my computer. It will more preferable. You can go with this option. Now go into the advanced, where you can see the program and background services. Now if you go for the background services, definitely your PC will work for the background services more conveniently. Now what is background services? Right now I'm recording with OBS, and of course recorder is a background process, and a few programs, like if we go over here in the programs, and right now when you play games or using any front program like Adobe Photoshop or editing, so these kind of programs you will get a better performance with this option. Now data execution preventions DEP helps protect against damage from viruses and other security threats. You can read further about it. Now here one more thing, the virtual memory. Now if you are using less RAM like 4 GB and you are working like editing videos or playing heavy games, then you can a bit enhance your memory from here. Just uncheck this option. Now 3 times you can increase your memory. The initial size, of course, current allocated, put this, and then multiply your original RAM 3 times. Now just open Explorer, this PC properties. Here you can see I'm using 12 GB, so 12 x 2 times 24 and 3 times 36. So I can put here the 3 time value in MB, of course 36,000, and then that's it. Click OK and restart your PC. It will make effect. Right now I leave it on because I have enough RAM for my processes. Now let's move on to step number 3, system protections and disk usage. All right, first of all, system protection and disk usage. System protection and disk usage, actually it's a part of your create a restore point. And here you can see the local disk G is off, the protection is off, and the C drive protection is on. You can also enable for G drive from here, but configure and turn on protections. By enabling system protection, you can undo undesired changes by reverting your computer to a preview point in time. So basically, before creating any restore point, you need to enable the protection first, then you can create a restore point. We are going to discuss system protection. So first and foremost, let's talk about why system protection is important. When you enable it, you can restore point. These restore points are crucial because when your PC crashes due to reasons like a power outage or a malware attacks, your data remains protected within the system restore point. So now let's discuss usage. One of the most common reason for high disk usage is when an application or tool is not functioning properly, causing the disk usage to spike. Additionally, malware can sometimes burden your hard disks, leading to the 100% disk usage. To safeguard your disk usage, it's essential to have system protection enabled so that you can restore your system in case of problem. While you can monitor and attempt to fix issues with applications through the control panel or task manager, just like this, you can see here everything is appearing. Now OBS is using 3.0 and memory 176.0 MB, disk usage 0 MB, and network 0, GPU usage 10.9. So all things you can monitor through the task manager. There are situations where these solutions may not work permanently or are beyond your understanding. In such cases, enabling system protection is an easy and effective way to address disk usage problem. Now the section 4, task manager and disk usage. The task manager, let me open it first. The task manager is a key tool in your operating systems that allow you to monitor and check your Windows and its hardware to see which programs or files are functioning properly and which are not. In the performance tab, you can observe all of these hardwares. As you can see, CPU is 70%, RAM is 29%, and my GPU is 73% right now. Now the thing is, you can also understand which thing is weak and you need to improve, like upgrading or something. Like 29% is not that bad, but I can improve it more by installing some new RAMs or upgrading the RAMs. Right now I have 12 GB, so I can install 16 GB. It will automatically decrease the percentage. So this is how you can actually monitor, and if something is taking too much load, it will appear over here. Right now you can see OBS is using 10.9% of my GPU resources. So in that case, you can easily understand and close that application. Just right click and end task. Right now I'm not doing this because I'm recording and it will interrupt my recording. So this is how actually these things are important. The task manager serves as a vital tool for monitoring the performance of your operating system. It's enable you to access functionality of program and files, providing valuable insights into their effectiveness. The performance tab in particular offer a comprehensive overview of system activity. By utilizing this tool effectively, you can ensure optimal performance and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Your feedback is important. If you have any question or suggestion for future videos, please leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable tech tips. Your support keeps this channel going. So thank you for your support. Now one more thing I guess I need to include, because a lot of gamers are watching my videos. So in case while playing the game, your disk usage on 100%, like games are mostly not taking your 100% usage. So in that case, make sure to check your disk like this. Just click on the disk drop down arrow, and if there are any other things are draining your usage, your resource, then just right click on that and end task, just like this. But in case if still your disk usage is 100%, so that's mean what you can do here, just move your game from hard disk to SSD, because SSD work more faster than the hard disk drive. So might be your game needs more speed to read and write. So yeah, that's it. And some other reasons are, for high disk usage, you can just close this option from services, so it will free up your disk usage. This mean in a newer Windows you will see the sysmin. In older you will find it with the super prefetch name services. Just right click on it, go into the properties and just stop it, and then startup type disable, hit apply. Okay, so this will improve your PC performance. I hope this tutorial will help you and understand everything. If you have any further question, just let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.